I get it. I'm not everybody's favorite right now, but it is the job of being the messenger, and that's what we're doing tonight. First alert weather day again continues for tomorrow. More wintry weather. Some of us that did not get much snow today are going to get some. This storm system, just like the one last week, parks in the Great Lakes for a couple of days, and that's why we've had snow all day today. We had snow in areas on our Tuesday as well. There it is, spinning in a counterclockwise fashion near Green Bay, and we're on this north flow side of it. It's been very gusty. We have gusts over 40 miles per hour continuing, and this forecast shows that the snow showers will set up shop as we make this full screen in North Dakota. That's what's happening right now. They'll become sparse in nature across Minnesota. That is good because some of those areas, as you saw earlier, got an additional 5 to 10 inches of snow today. Gusty winds continue throughout the day, and in the afternoon it slowly starts to exit to the south. The wind doesn't die though until tomorrow night, the way things are looking. And a walk around our region shows flakes flying in Fargo at our Luther Cam. Here is Grand Forks. We do have flakes flying through the lights there as well. This here in the Devil's Lake area, you had sunshine today. The wind is ripping and it's really reduced visibility there as there's something flying through the air, likely some light snow showers starting to return to your area as well. This is rain at the Dakota Magic Casino at this hour. Here's a look at wind gusts across the area. We have 41-mile-per-hour gusts in Langdon, 37 in the Devil's Lake Basin, and we have some very significant winds continuing across the area. In fact, we'll take you into where they're strong, and they've been strong all day. Gusts over 60 miles per hour for Cooperstown and Carrington at 45 miles per hour. Right now, Cooperstown 54 miles per hour. It's noisy out there, and the snow is now moving its way back into the area of central North Dakota. So from the Cheyenne River Valley and into the James River Valley, the snow showers are returning. Got some reports from some of you in Jamestown saying nothing here. And also, same thing up in the Devil's Lake Basin. It's coming back now, starting to quiet down in places like Bemidji and Park Rapids, although from time to time you'll have passing showers of snow. And we have 3 bands right now. Grand Forks down into the northern portions of Norman County. Off to the west, the Highway 200 corridor getting a couple of bands of snow from Cooperstown, and through Mayville is a heavy one that extends right into the FM area. Here's our reduced visibility pushing back into the area, so anyone returning from the Fargo concert tonight up north or heading out and about, be advised out in open country with these winds. Any snow that's flying will reduce your visibility. Slow it down. The good news is our road surface is not accumulating too much too quickly, but they are slushy. And as temperatures fall tonight to freezing, which is where they are in Grand Forks and Fargo and the Detroit Lakes area, and below freezing in Wadena, well, we could get some icy areas pretty quickly. So overnight and tomorrow, watch for that. Here is your hour-by-hour forecast zoomed in. The yellow colors and orange colors you see over here is where those winds will remain gusty through the overnight as the snow sloshes back to the west overnight and will continue in the eastern third of North Dakota to accumulate in the overnight hours. Pause this at 4 in the morning. We still have passing snow showers across places that got a lot of snow today in Minnesota, so you will get more. Many of us will start our day 7:30. We paused it here for you. Gusty winds in North Dakota. Temperatures that will still be near freezing, so slippery roads for that morning commute. And the snow showers continue and the wind continues. Where you see the red colors over here and the orange, 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts are expected. That windy weather does continue. Look at temperatures. No 40s tomorrow for Jamestown. Nope, it looks like you'll be in the 30s for most of the day too. Finally, late in the afternoon, snow really begins to exit, but that wind really doesn't die down till later. Now, snowfall, additional accumulation now. We're going to have some areas that have 2 to 4 additional inches, pretty much widespread. 1 to 2 in the Fargo-Moorhead area. It took a long time for it to turn to snow here. Could see a few more inches here or there, particularly just off to the east of the FM area. Temperatures as we go through your day steady in the low 30s for much of it, and then breaks in the clouds maybe, allowing us to get to the mid 30s. Gusty winds all day over 40 miles per hour. Rick sending this photo from Lake Ida. This was yesterday's snow, or this morning. It was very snowy. Friday quiet, Saturday beautiful, near 50 degrees as we try to melt some snow. Sunday we will get there, but next week, well, look at that. After a warm start, we're going to be back in with another potentially wintry spring storm on another Wednesday. That would be the 3rd in a row, as you pointed out. Yeah. I hope this doesn't last too much longer.
We get a few day break and then it just keeps coming.
Yes.
Thanks, Hutch.